Alabama was thrust into the national spotlight earlier this year after the state Supreme Court ruled embryos can be considered children. This caused IVF clinics across the state to temporarily shut their doors until lawmakers passed a bill protecting clinics from legal retribution. As the conversation around reproductive care continues to be a major issue this election season, NBC News' Laura Jarrett visited a local clinic where they were shipping embryos out of state. Laura Jarrett joins us now from New York. Laura, thanks so much for taking some time to speak with us. So these patients,
very nice to be with you.
Nice to be with you as well. These patients are making this choice amidst a lot of moving parts, several appeals and lawsuits related to the decision made in February. Where do things stand?
Yeah, basically it's status quo as normal. They tried to go all the way up to the U.S. Supreme Court after having lost at the Alabama Supreme Court, but the justices declined to hear it. And so now we're basically in the same position that we were earlier this year, where the law is still on the books, but they tried to pass a legislative fix, at least to sort of temporarily allow the clinics to reopen, because that was the whole controversy, is the clinics had to press pause while they tried to figure out whether they could move forward. And so now the law is still on the books, but there's temporary situation exists as well.
Exactly. Which states are Alabama IVF patients moving their embryos to?
They're primarily going to states with a little bit looser restrictions. So we're talking about places like New York, Minnesota, and then in the case of the patient that we spoke to, she moved her remaining embryos to Colorado.
Right, in Colorado there. Do you have a sense of why that facility was chosen?
Yeah, part of it is actually a security issue, Sherry, because remember, the way this case started was that some frozen embryos were dropped because someone was able to just walk right into a lab and grab them with their bare hands, and they were destroyed. And so the cryo storage company that our Dr. Hammond has partnered with uses a completely different type of technologies. There's state-of-the-art security, there's a barcode, there's scanning that's happening. And so the patient we spoke to said that security was really important to her as part of this decision, Sherry.
All right, Laura, thank you so much for joining us.